Hey everyone, my name is Reed Cactus, and welcome back to another video. They were doing some soooo.io, so, holy crap, there's some awesome skins. I've only played a few times. That was when, like, you couldn't be very much skins, except for now you can be, like, any skin you want. It's awesome. Crazy. So much skins. Oh, that's awesome. Bro fist. Yeah, I'm reading this. Plon one. Plon. I like beast. Oh wow, the new update is actually really cool. I like what they've done. I like what they've done with it. And that guy's trying to loot me, I think. Should stay out of it. Yeah. It's awesome looking. Yeah. Trying to kill you, bro fish. Yeah, I'm not very good at it. Controls are like kind of weird though. Oh god, how do I stop it? Oh wow, I actually ran into a very good, freak! Wow, I just killed like 2 people at once. Thank you for that. Oh, and you're almost dead. Frick you. I'm just gonna get out of there before I totally will die from that, so. Google Play Stores. I'm their mascot. Holy crap, that guy's big. Alright, I almost just got out. Oh, freak. Nope, no you don't. It's not going for me, it's just trying to get out of the way. Baby Zan. Frick you, Baby Zan. 81 out of 426. It's actually pretty good. Oh god. Oh, I hate little guys. Those little guys are impossible to kill. No! Mr. Steal Your Worm. Well, he just got killed. Off the leader. Frick. I knew that was gonna happen. Right, don't ask again. I probably read it, though. Share score. No. Okay. Faster gameplay. I'll just play on that again. With the same awesome skin. Because I like supporting Google Play Stores for some random reason. Oh god, that was so big leg right there. Leg, freaking no piece of crap. Oh! Ouch. Wow. Tap Sports Baseball. Boo. Looks horrible. Well, let's see what other skins there are. Sean skins. Oh, they're just 2 skins. Let's be a different skin. How come yellow is without cool skins? Like, the yellow's right there, though. And then there's just random yellow, right? Taking long enough. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay, I guess I'll just go for, oh, wait, what? It's awesome. I'm gonna be him. Looks cool. Settings. What do you want? Arrow dot, classic mode, joystick mode. Okay, that sounds way better. Did not know you could do joystick. Oh wow, this is way better. Oh, frick you, piece of crap. Wow, this is so much easier. Boom. And I can just do that. Wow, that's amazing. Oh! It's gonna be so awesome. Yeah, that's right, you just got demolished. Oh. I'm not trying to be mean to that guy, but that was actually kind of funny. Fear me, I'm boss. Well, to get number 3 and you're at 16,000 links, yes, you are boss. You very are boss. I'm just saying. I wouldn't really fear you, but still. Still, that's like pretty long. I mean, it's not that long. Okay. Fear me, I'm boss. And Lou. You'd think it would be Louie, but meh. Oh, and you almost just got out because you're a loser. So much easier on joystick. Oh, dang, that guy's lucky. What the? Go SMS, bro. Wow, 2 million people rated it? Just weird. Oh, I love the joystick. The joystick is amazing. I look awesome. I look like some weird eel guy. Oh god, so much. Oh my god. So glitchy. That was just so glitchy right there. Vroom. Vroom, vroom. What are those, like, there's floating masks sometimes, like that thing? What are those? Leave in the comment, what are those, like, weird movie masks? What do they do? Like, are they power-ups or something? I've ate them before. But I don't know what they do, so I need to know. Oh god, hi, Smithadiff. I have no idea. Smith. Yeah, like, not trying to diss soooo.io, but before it had these controls, the joystick controls, everyone was started playing Snake.io. And then it was like, oh, wait, soooo.io has the controls now. Oh, let's go back to playing soooo.io, because also not trying to diss Snake.io, but you kind of did copy soooo.io, and soooo.io does kind of have a better concept. Well, they do have the same concept, but I'm just saying, like, soooo.io, in my opinion, is funner. But snake.io was awesome, but then soooo.io had the update, and I feel bad for snake.io. Boom! Oh wait, that's a tiny guy. I don't give a crap about him. I want some guy that's like 10 times my size. I want to find the guy in first place. The Storm Surfer. Like, lamest name ever. Oh, what the? How did that work? We both rammed into each other. Oh, that guy's huge. Gary, no. Gary, Gary. Yudapa. Bro fist. I just want to kill you. You want to kill everyone. Because for some reason, you can't survive my side of my body. So wrong. See that little floating thing that's like running away from me? What do they do? Oh, hi, the Storm Surfer! You wanna play? Frick! Ah, dang! What even is this? More fancy? Is this for soooo.io? Or is this just like some random game that's like soooo.io except for like, I don't know, different skins, crap. soooo.io has to like make 10 million skins. Okay, I don't want you anymore. You're pretty cool looking. Jacksepticeye. It looks like Jacksepticeye. Don't know if that was what they're aiming for, but it probably was. A white one's cool though. Gonna go red, white, and blue. Against AI. Let's just try that. I Hoyle. Holy crap, Noah. What the? I thought this was AI. Is it? I don't get this. They have like names that you would think that would actually people. It's weird. It's cool. I like it. Bubby E. Bubby E, you're going down, piece of crap. And you killed me. Bubby E. Trivia crack. Why is there so much people who rate that? That's like crazy. It's so popular. My final link was 19. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna end this video here. But we will be doing a video after this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which will be in like 2 seconds. So, bye bye. Bye 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 bye.